Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're having a great day and welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. I'm excited. We're doing a part install on the 2024 Toyota Tundra 1794 TRD that I've had for almost 1 year now. I have partnered up again with AFE Power. If you haven't seen any of my other part install videos, this is the third time I've worked with them. The first time was on my 2023 SR5 with the front tow hooks. The second time was with the Momentum GT intakes that are in this truck. And today we are adding the turbo inlet pipes to get a little more sound and a little more power out of this 3.4 liter twin turbo V6 engine. At the end of the video, after the install, I will go over some of the details on the AFE website, along with the price of this item. But some things that these turbo inlet pipes offer is a 14% flow increase, 10 more horsepower, and an extra 12 pound-feet of torque. Should be a nice, quick, easy install. There is instructions on their website for this install, along with instructions that come with the actual part. So let's get out there right now, do the install. My buddy Anthony is on the way over to assist with filming and some of the install. So you've seen him before on other videos. Let's get out there and do that and then go over some of the details on these AFE Power turbo inlet pipes. And here's what comes in the box with the turbo inlet pipes. Not very much. Some clamps, the pipes themselves, instructions and stickers. That is it. And say hello to Anthony, our helper of the day.
How's it going, guys?
Here's a look at the old inlet tube on the passenger side and the new one going in. Here's some information from the AFE Power website on the turbo inlet pipes. The price of these pipes are $168.30 on their website. And some of the details: dyno-proven gains of 10 horsepower and 12 pound-feet of torque, outflows factory turbo inlets by 14%, measured flow 560 CFM at 7 inches H2O, turbo inlets only, improves airflow to the turbos for maximum power, black silicone reinforced pipes connects to the factory turbos, direct fit install with no modifications required, fits only with AFE Power air intake system. Improved airflow to the turbos. Designed to eliminate airflow restrictions, these turbo inlets significantly enhance the volume of air delivered to the turbos when combined with any AFE Power air intake system. They ensure a smooth, minimally restricted airflow from the intake system to the turbos, maximizing power output. Reinforced silicone pipes. Our turbo inlets feature durable silicone pipes fortified with molded ribs to prevent wear and degradation. These flexible pipes create a direct, secure connection between the AFE Power air intake tubes and the turbos, ensuring optimal performance. Hassle-free installation. Installation is straightforward with all necessary clamps and hardware included. We provide high-quality stainless steel Smart Seal clamps to ensure a durable, airtight seal that maintains integrity over time.